Railways are a major component of a sustainable transport policy in many countries, since they are considered as green, efficient, and a safe mode of transportation. There is an increasing demand for the railway industry to expand capacity, availability, and to transport goods and people at higher speeds. By 2025, the railways are expected to carry 11,912 billion ton-kilometre of freight and 5,149 billion passenger kilometre worldwide. Such increasing usage will result in faster degradation of the railway tracks and therefore higher maintenance costs. A well-maintained track not only guarantees ride comfort, safety and lower emissions, but also increases the life of the track, as well as track availability. Therefore, to enable a green, efficient and safe railway system, there is a need for effective asset management which systematically considers whole life cycle costs and benefits over the lifetime of the asset. We present TRAK, a unique decision-making platform connecting managers, operators and planners for risk-informed optimization of railways. TRAK uses whole life cycle cost analysis to identify economically beneficial strategies for the maintenance of railway tracks. TRAK considers the costs associated with track construction, maintenance, track use and the end of life of the asset, and employs innovative algorithms to predict the track behaviour, costs, risks, environmental impacts and socio-economic benefits associated with different track maintenance strategies. TRAK is an equitable and transparent means of evaluating the economics of maintenance strategies, which takes into account for the first time the costs and benefits to all stakeholders within the railway industry. TRAK can be used to support strategic planning and programming levels of railway asset management. For example, in the cases where there is a shortage in the annual track maintenance budget, TRAK can be employed to inform plausible maintenance strategies that realise the maximum benefit for the available budget. Senior managers and decision makers can also use TRAK to improve long-term investment choices. For example, the approach allows the implications of reductions in maintenance budgets on total transport costs to be scrutinised and investment to be targeted to the areas of the railway network providing the greatest benefit. TRAK, making risk-informed decisions for the railways of the future.